Today's recipe is inspired by an Italian keto fighter. Her name is Michela. She had very severe migraine, and thanks to this food, she is living a normal life, a very happy life, and she shares her recipes too. So today we are going to prepare her Parmesan and avocado chips. Thank you all for sharing your ideas, your dishes, and all your tips, because together we can help each other to stay healthy, happy, and to eat amazing food.
And I realize as you hand me the go, we got by falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down.
This is such an easy recipe that before telling you the ingredient, I highly recommend to turn on the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, that are approximately 400 Fahrenheit, so it will be warm when we will bake our snack.
Counted on love for
And here are the few ingredients. You will need an avocado, a soft one, not a black one inside, just a ripe one. It's difficult, I know, but you can get it. Then you will need some black pepper and grated Parmesan cheese. That's all.
falling just like these snowflakes.
We will bake our chips directly on the oven tray, so we will have a big surface and you will need it. So I highly recommend you to cover it with baking paper.
Falling for you.
And now we just need to mix the three ingredients together. And for every 40 grams of avocado, I recommend you to add 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. And for the black pepper, you decide as much as you like.
And for this moment to love.
At the beginning, this mix seems very dry and it doesn't melt together, but don't worry, because the avocado is buttery and it will help you to have an homogeneous and perfect mix. And you will be able to do many little balls that will become our chips. You can do them using a spoon or 2 spoons, but the easiest way is definitely to use your hands. This is also very fun, and you can ask your kids to help you. They will be really happy. Let's talk a little about avocado. That is a symbol of a ketogenic diet, and you know why? Because of the macros. At the end of the recipe, I will tell you the 10 best keto veggies. But now let's go on with these chips. You must flatten the little balls because they must be thin.
December morning.
And once again, your hands will be your best tool.
We look out the window.
They don't need to be perfect, because in the oven they will melt and they will become thinner. But now it's time to put them baking at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for just 10 minutes, and your chips will be deliciously ready. Like this, but before touching them, wait a little bit, because they will be crunchy only when they will be cold. The best keto veggies that we can choose are always green. That's an important color, and they grow above ground.
I ain't complaining, it's a wonderful present.
If you don't remember them, I will tell you now, and I will write them in the description below, because they are cauliflower, cabbage, and at the third place, this avocado. Then you can eat broccoli, zucchini, spinach, asparagus, kale. Green beans are the only legumes. It's an exception, but you can enjoy them also on keto. And the delicious Brussels sprouts. So don't worry about this recipe because it's really very ketogenic with the avocado and the Parmesan cheese that is a cured cheese. So it has zero carbs and a lot of fat. It's really perfect and delicious. But look what is happening outside. The sky is white and there are people on the roof. This means that it's going to snow. And after this video, I will show you the first big snow in Stockholm. It's fun and it's beautiful. This is the perfect period of the year. Christmas is just gone. We are at the end of December and we are looking forward to have some snow because the winter is very dark and the white snow help us a lot. I hope you also like my Christmas tree because I decorated it like every year with my daughter. I really hope you all liked today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel by clicking here below. So we will meet here every Monday with a keto video in English, but also on Wednesday with the same video in Spanish and on Friday in Italian. See you next week!
We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like this.
Titta vad fin! Jättefina båda.
Vad är det för doft? Vad är det för doft?
Det är lite.
I'm falling just like